Before buying a fish tank, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many beginners get overwhelmed by options that all look alike, but the real differences lie beneath the surface. Let's break down what really matters for starting your fish keeping journey.
Product number 1, E1 Life 3.5 gallon Betta Fish Tank. The E1 Life 3.5 gallon Betta Fish Tank really caught my eye with its all-in-one starter kit design. At $69.99, it offers a complete setup for beginners without breaking the bank. If you want a hassle-free way to start keeping fish, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This tank features a constant 78-degree Fahrenheit temperature, perfect for betta and tropical fish. Plus, the self-cleaning system means you won't be changing water every week. It includes a digital thermometer and LED light with a timer, so you can easily ensure your fish are living in optimal conditions. So far, over 600 people have bought this tank just this month, which speaks volumes about its popularity. Now, some people complained about the size being too small if you plan on keeping multiple fish. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out or want a tank primarily for a betta, this size is actually ideal. It's also very space efficient for desks or small apartments. This is perfect for you if you want a simple and elegant way to keep fish without a lot of fuss. Skip this one if you're planning on a larger community tank or have bigger fish in mind. For $69.99, it offers great value for anyone dipping their toes into fish keeping. Now, if the E1 Life's size bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a larger tank option.
Product number 2, Tetra LED Half Moon Aquarium Kit. The Tetra LED Half Moon Aquarium Kit, which is a compact 1.1 gallon tank priced at only $20.30. It stands out with its unique half moon shape, making it visually appealing. If you want something easy to manage and fun to watch, this is worth a serious look. This tank is perfect for beginners since bettas thrive in smaller environments and require minimal maintenance. The energy-efficient LED lights can be adjusted for optimal viewing, illuminating your fish beautifully. Plus, the design allows for easy feeding, so you won't have to struggle to get food in there. It's lightweight and easy to move, which is a big plus if you plan to change locations often. However, some reviews pointed out that the tank's small size can feel limiting. But here's the thing. If you're just getting started or want a simple desktop aquarium, this is a solid choice. It's not meant for multiple fish, so if that's what you're after, you might want to look elsewhere. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a low-maintenance aquarium that won't take up much space. Skip this one if you want to keep multiple fish or larger species. For $20.30, it's a steal for beginners. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more space. Product number 3, Tetra 3-gallon Small Fish Tank. And at $55.99, it gives you a little more room for your aquatic friends. The Half Moon design allows for a panoramic view, which is something I really appreciate. If you want a mid-sized tank that's still beginner-friendly, this is worth a serious look. This aquarium kit includes everything you need to keep it clean and healthy, like an air pump and an internal filter. The bubbling disc creates a colorful display while ensuring your fish have oxygenated water. It's simple to set up and maintain, making it great for newbies. With over 400 sold recently, you can see others are loving it too. Some users mention that the filter can be a bit noisy. Now, I get that some folks prefer a quieter environment, but keep in mind that it does help keep the water clean and your fish healthy. So if you can ignore some background noise, the benefits outweigh this issue. This is perfect for you if you want a decent-sized starter tank with a fun lighting feature. Skip this one if you need complete silence while enjoying your aquarium. For $55.99, it's a solid investment for beginner fish keepers. Now, if you're looking for something that offers even more features, let's check out the next option.
Product number 4, Aquasmith Betta Fish Tank. The Aquasmith Betta Fish Tank, a stylish 2-gallon aquarium priced at $59.99. This tank truly impressed me with its self-cleaning capabilities and modern design. If you want an aquarium that combines elegance with ease of use, this is worth a serious look. The Aquasmith integrates silent filtration and natural oxygenation, creating a self-maintaining ecosystem. You can set it up in just 5 minutes, which is a huge plus for busy beginners. Not to mention, the high transparency glass allows for brilliant light transmission, making your fish stand out beautifully. It's all about creating a thriving environment with minimal effort, and that's what beginners need. However, some users found the setup instructions a bit confusing. I'll be real with you, if you're not into reading manuals, this could be frustrating. But once you get it going, the ease of maintenance makes it totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, low-maintenance aquarium that looks great anywhere. Skip this one if you prefer a straightforward, no-fuss setup right out of the box. For $59.99, you're getting excellent value for a feature-rich aquarium. Now, if you're ready to go big, this next product might just blow you away.
Product number 5, Aquarium Aquarium Starter Kit. We have the Aquarium Aquarium Starter Kit, which is a 10-gallon tank priced at $121.69. This is a great choice if you're ready to step up your fish keeping game. If you want a larger space that can accommodate more fish, this is worth a serious look. This kit comes with everything you need, including a preset heater and smart clean filtration system, making maintenance much easier. The glass construction is durable, ensuring a clear view of your aquatic friends. Having a larger tank means more options for fish species, which is a big plus for anyone getting serious about this hobby. On the downside, some customers felt the price was a bit steep for a beginner kit. Here's the thing though, you're getting quality materials and a comprehensive setup that saves you future costs on upgrades. Investing in a solid starter kit can provide a better experience long term. This is perfect for you if you want a spacious tank that allows for a wider variety of fish. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact and don't have the space for a bigger setup. For $121.69, it's a great investment if you're serious about fish keeping.
We've covered 5 fantastic fish tanks for beginners. The E1 Life offers an all-in-one solution, while the Tetra LED Half Moon is perfect for tight spaces. The Tetra 3-gallon gives you a bit more room, and the Aquasmith combines style with functionality. Finally, the Aquarium Starter Kit is ideal for those ready to expand their fish keeping journey. Choose the one that fits your needs, and happy fish keeping!